maximum allowable percentage of fill for Panduit running down a wall is typically 40%. This means that the total cross-sectional area of the conductors inside the Panduit should not exceed 40% of the Panduit's internal cross-sectional area. When multiple conductors are bundled together in a Panduit, Derating factors must be applied to account for reduced heat dissipation. Firstly, conductor count matters. For every additional conductor beyond the first, derate the ampacity by 8%. Secondly, bundle diameter becomes a factor. For bundles with a diameter greater than 3 inches, derate the ampacity by 20%. To calculate the maximum derated ampacity for a bundle of 26 conductors, assuming they are all number 10 wire and there are no other derating factors, follow these steps. Calculate the cross-sectional area of a single number 10 wire, which is 0.528 square inches. Multiply by the derating factor for 25 additional conductors using this calculation. 1 minus 0.8 times 25, which equals 0.1. Multiply by the maximum allowable percentage of fill, which is 0.4. The maximum derated cross-sectional area equals 0.528 square inches times 0.1 times 0.4, which equals 0.211 square inches. Determine the perimeter of the Panduit assuming it is a rectangular shape. Calculate the internal cross-sectional area of the Panduit by multiplying the perimeter by the width. Ensure that the maximum derated cross-sectional area is less than or equal to 40% of the internal cross-sectional area of the Panduit. Consider Panduit with an internal cross-sectional area of 0.1 square inches. Then 0.211 square inches divided by 0.1 square inches equals 0.211 or 21.1%. In this example, the maximum derated cross-sectional area of 0.211 square inches is less than 40% of the Panduit's internal cross-sectional area, so the percentage of fill would be acceptable.